Hey everyone, today we're going to be making a easy 6-ingredient lasagna that tastes amazing. I'm going to show you what pots, pans, and utensils you'll need for your lasagna. First, you'll be needing a skillet for your meat, a pot for your lasagna noodles, a strainer, and some cooking utensils for your noodles. And last but not least, just a normal casserole pan. Okay, that'll be followed by your ingredients. Like I said, 6 ingredients for this lasagna. I like to use brands, Barilla lasagna, an onion. Garlic is optional. Some chopped olives. 6 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. I like to use the little cans, but that's about 40 to 48 ounces of a big can, whatever you desire. 3 pounds of hamburger meat. Our last ingredients is our cheese. This is a 3-layer lasagna. Since you're going to need at least 8 ounces per layer, buying 2 cups or 8 ounces per package makes it so much easier to construct. All right, let's go. We've got our pot on the stove ready to boil. Let's turn the heat up to a boiling degree. How about high? That works. We're going to put our lasagna in right out of the box. Kind of spread them around so they'll cook and not stick to each other. I like to put them in diagonally, a few on each side, and then I'll add about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Get those cooking and boiling. Boil the noodles for about 15, maybe 20 minutes until they're done. You can tell they're done when they're soft and loose. And then now we're going to drain them and put them aside. When you drain them, you can run a little cool water on them just to make sure that they're not too hot when you get ready to put your lasagna together. You're going to put your skillet on the stove on about a medium heat. Go ahead and add your hamburger meat. Then we're going to go ahead and add our onions, garlic, already chopped up. Along with our olives right out of the can. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of each of our seasonings to the meat, and we'll add some more seasoning later after we add our tomato sauce. We want to get that all mixed up together, and then once it's brown, we'll go ahead and drain it. Now that our meat is all brown, we're going to add our tomato sauce, just 1 can at a time. And after that's completely added, We'll go ahead and put our seasoning in. Also, remember to season to your taste, to your liking. I did add a little more seasoning to the hamburger meat. So again, always taste your food once it's cooked and see if it's seasoned to your liking. We're just going to stir this up and then bring it to a soft boil. Okay, so I have my 3 layers in my 3 ingredients all ready to go into my casserole, and I'll construct that for you. Again, this is simple, easy, and actually kind of fun. Okay, the first thing you want to do is just put a little bit of your sauce mix at the bottom of the casserole dish. That's just so the noodles don't stick. Our first layer is going to be the noodles. Most casserole dishes will take about 4 noodles per layer, so you're definitely going to have leftovers. The next layer will be our meat sauce. You want to divide this up into thirds. Again, this is 3 layers, so try to use 1/3 for the first layer. I told you this was really simple, so it makes it fun to make a quick meal for your family. Looks like you fussed over it, but you kind of really didn't. And the last layer is the cheese. Just spread it evenly. And then we start all over again with the noodles. See how easy this is? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's put some more hamburger sauce over. Another layer of cheese. Again, spread it evenly. This is super heavy too. When you get ready to put it in the oven, make sure you have a good grip on it. This one's going to be pretty full to the rim, but that's okay. The more the better. My mom actually taught me how to cook this lasagna, simple and good, and I've been cooking it forever for my family, and they absolutely, absolutely love it. Going for the last layer of meat, sauce, and then we'll put the cheese on. We'll put it in the oven, probably about 20-25 minutes, and you'll have a delicious meal. So get all that meat sauce perfectly evenly across here. Again, we're going to put this in the oven, 350, maybe 375, 20-25 minutes, and you're going to have a great lasagna. All right, guys, she's done. She's ready. She's out of the oven and she's ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, be great.